Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. This is a disclaimer for all of these videos that I'm making for the Rocks and Minerals unit. I do not expect you to do these at home. I don't expect you to go scrounging around your yard and trying to find minerals and rocks and things that will work for this. This is for me to show you what you would have been doing in class if you were there. The problem I'm having is the day they told us that we might not be able to go into the building, I grabbed everything I could think of to do these labs, and some of it I didn't grab. So I'm going to do the best I can with the materials I have. So please be patient, put up with this, have a good time. Yay! Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. So we're going to continue. I know we just finished a lab where we tried to figure out if something was quartz or calcite. These are examples. These are two rocks, an example of two different kinds of rocks. One of them has calcite in it. How will we know which one has calcite? All right, if you remember yesterday's lab, or actually the one I filmed right before this, when I took my sweatshirt off. Yeah, okay, so the other lab that we did when we were trying to figure out if something was calcite or quartz, calcite reacts with acid. One of these rocks has calcite in it. We're going to do a test on it to figure out which one. But all of those tests we did before, we had the pure mineral. This time it's minerals within rocks. And so we've got to try to figure out how to do this. So which would be the best test to do on it if we can't do all 7 of them? Which one would be the definitive test to see which one has calcite in it? Think about it. Are you thinking? Think a little more. Great. Ready? So the first thing in this lab is you're just supposed to take observations of each of these. So this one right here, this is granite. And you can see it's different colors. It's got pink and gray. And notice those little shiny crystals in there. Yeah. So one of the questions on the lab sheet is, do you think this rock is made up of just one mineral, or does it have many different minerals in it? What do you think? This is an example of limestone. Limestone is made up of lots of fossils and minerals and things in it. So if we were trying to figure out if this is made up of more than one mineral, could you tell just by looking at it? All right, we are going to test both of these with acid. And the cat is trying to help. All right, so I'm going to put on my glasses like so. And Seamus, which one should we test first?
Do the limestone.
Limestone first? Okay, now get real close. Let's see if we see any bubbles. You close enough? You see any bubbles? Yeah. Look at those bubbles. Okay. Now I'm going to test the granite. What do you think? Boring. Nothing. Nothing at all. Now, can you see them close together? You see, is that one still bubbling? It's still bubbling. This one, the acid looks like water just rolling off of it. This one, ooh, look at that. It's so cool. Yeah. Okay, what did we learn here? We learned that granite probably has quartz in it, which is making it all shiny. Yeah. The limestone, it's not really shiny, but it's really cool when it reacts to acid. So that is one way to determine what minerals are in rocks. And yay, that's all for you today. I'll see you next time on Miss Lanigan's Classroom or something. Somebody come up with an idea for a name, because I really need a name, because yeah, this will go viral, right? Said delete that.